Hello friend, today I have Toyota Avalon 2013. Customer complaint, no horn and note show the in the cluster outside temperature. Show only error. Let's diagnose and test the car. Where is the problem? You see no horn. I start the car and test the horn. You see outside temperature is error and also the horn is not working. First thing first, we check from the fuse electric. This fuse I put direct positive from battery and see how the problem. This is the fuse for horn. No positive because of the relay not on inside the IPD meter. This is I put the tester in positive and check this direct to the horn. Horn is working. Now I open the IPD meter. There is one ECU inside the fuse box. To control all the accessory, for example light, headlight, wiper, also oxygen sensor, EFI relay control there. This is the fuse box. I remove 2 10-volt AC condenser fan, also radiator fan, control this ECU. Washer motor also control from there. If anything not working, first thing first you test this ECU. I have one used one and fix and see the result. I have used one ECU, IPD meter ECU, IPD meter. This ECU control all power, the accessories, headlight, parking light and red fan motor, radiator fan motor and wiper also. EFI relay inside this ECU. Remove the connector for a fix one use. This is the ECU. This is used one. I buy from junkyard. Make sure you make every connector. After fixing, check everything, headlight and horn. Wiper, headlight, washer motor, radiator fan motor. You see working good. I check the outside temperature 39 centigrade, also working, everything good. This is the common failure for Toyota Avalon. Thank you for watching. Wiper also working.